ExcelR'S Jumbo Pass, first of its kind in the industry, transforming the way you learn. Enroll once and enjoy the liberty of attending unlimited instructor-led online sessions of your choice for 365 days. You can choose to attend multiple live sessions from our training calendar as per your convenience. How would it benefit you? With this Jumbo Pass, you can attend the training from multiple trainers from numerous batches. This will help in better absorption and assimilation of concepts. You never miss a session. Owing to your busy schedule or any unforeseen circumstances, you may miss a live class. With ExcelR'S Jumbo Pass, you will be able to attend any session that you may have missed. Also, every live session will be recorded and access will be provided on ExcelR'S state-of-the-art e-learning management system, where you can watch any session from anywhere and anytime. The benefits don't just end here. Get lifetime access to self-paced sessions of the course, personalized 24/7 WhatsApp support from world-class trainers to clarify your doubts, get assistance from subject matter experts in building your resume, frequently asked interview questions, helping you to stay ahead and ace the competition in the job market. What are you waiting for? Register now and grab into ExcelR'S Jumbo Pass. This offer closes soon. ExcelR'S Jumbo Pass. Never before, never after.